Everything Dies by Serhan Goyan. Everything dies in the end, even the flowers, the children, and ambition. The flowers wither under the blaze of the sun, and their innocence bleeds beneath the burden of life. Childhood fades like autumn leaves under the weight of reality and pain. Ambition melts away in a sea of disappointments when it faces the raging winds. Affection dies in the darkness of neglect, where only the shadows of conflict remain. And love withers like a distant star in a sky clouded with mist and sorrow. Everything dies in the cycle of existence, where nothing remains but silence and stillness. Yet in this death, there is a birth, a new life rising from the ashes.